There are two octaves of the bassoon that are fingered almost identically from low G, or G2, up through G3, and then from G3 up to D4. Those notes have the same fingerings pretty much between the two octaves. The main difference is that for the lower octave of G through open F, we have the whisper key down. And above open F, we don't have the whisper key down, but we're using the same basic fingering. It's just overblown. Now, students can have problems with this because they'll often try to keep their embouchure and air settings the same and just use the whisper key as their way to get up the octave. And this creates some problems. If they do that, they often try to use a tight embouchure that's really up and down focused, so that as soon as they take their thumb off the whisper key, the sound breaks up the octave, kind of like this. But you see that doesn't sound very good, particularly in the upper octave. It's thin, it's unstable, it's wobbly. One way that you can get them to not do this is to emphasize and reinforce the idea that they have to move the air twice as fast when they go up the octave, and also bring the corners in to support the sound, but also to get them to work on loosening up in the lower register. Now, to do that, you can have them practice playing. Now, just practice. You don't really want to have them play this way when they play pieces, but have them practice as a warm-up, playing in that lower octave without the whisper key on. Because if they can play the low notes with no whisper key, then they'll be open and loose, and then all they have to do to go to the upper octave is move their air twice as fast and support a little bit more. Have them just practice a slow F major scale without the whisper key on, and they'll be much looser, much more open. If they can do that, then they're going to be in really good shape for not only not playing sharp, but playing with a good sound in the lower and the upper octave.